Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are in our day 8 of basic maths course. Thank you very much for showering lots of loves in this course and also for Vedic math course. If you haven't started Vedic maths course, then go and visit that class. That class is also going well and good. So for today we will study percentage, one of the important topic and very useful in our day-to-day life. So percentage or percent is divided into two parts. If we talk about only percent, then percent is divided into two parts, that is per and cent is 100. So we will convert all everything's into 100. Everything we will do in percentage will be related to 100. Either we will multiply it by 100 or we will divide it by 100, but everything will be revolving around 100. Percentage arrived from a Latin word percentum, which means per 100. So this is a basic explanation of percentage. For an example, you have 100 chocolates. Fine, you have 100 chocolates and you gave 50 of them. You gave 50 of them to your brother. Then what percentage did you give? You gave 50 percentage to your brother and you are left with 50 percentage. Fine. So this is how we do it. I will explain you how we will do a percentage. Different percentages, from fraction to percentage, from decimal to percentage. So first we will see from fraction to percentage, how we will convert from fraction to percentage. Fine. For example, to convert 3 by 4 into percentage, you will multiply it by 100. Fine. So you will get 2 or 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and you are left with 20, 4 fives are 20. 25 into 3 is 75. So 75%. 3 by 4 when converted to percentage you will get 75. Let's take 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into 100. So you will 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 0. So that will be 20%. So this is how we convert from fraction to percentage. Now we will see how we will convert decimal to percentage. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel, and if you haven't visited my basic maths classes, then first start from day 1, because from day 1 I have completed various topics, not only chapter wise but every topics have been covered and will be covered in upcoming videos, so don't miss any of the videos. So from decimal to percentage, if it is 0.6 and then you have to multiply it by 100%. Fine. Then you will get 0.6 into 100 is 60%. Fine. Likewise, 0.35 when multiplied by 100%, then you will get, what you will get, 35%. So this is how we convert decimal into fraction. Fine. I hope you understood. Now we will reciprocate the condition. We will convert percentage into fraction and decimal. Fine. Fraction and decimal. Cause we need to know every details of percentage. From converting fraction to percentage, decimal to percentage, now we have reciprocate the condition from percentage to fraction and decimal. Now if it is 25%, then what you will do? Here we were multiplying. Now when you have reciprocate the condition, then things will also get reciprocated. So now you will divide by 100. Fine. Now you will divide it by 100. So you will get 0.25. Fine. Fine. When you will convert fraction or decimal, when you will convert percentage to fraction or decimal, you need to divide it by 100. I hope you understood. For fraction to percentage or decimal to percentage, we have multiplied, and from percentage to fraction or decimal, you need to divide. This is very simple. For example, 40%. See, this is, if you have to convert it into fraction, then what you will do? 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 5 zeros are 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are. So here what you did? You converted it into fraction. And if you need to convert it into decimal, what you will do? 25 by 100, that can be written as 0.25%. So this is how we convert into different fractions or decimals. Fine. Now finding percentage of a number. So now we will next study finding percentage of a number. How we will find percentage of any number. For example, if you are told that take out the percentage, if what will be 20% of 200. Fine. 20% of 200. So now there is a formula. Percentage of any number will be equal to percentage, fine, percentage divided by 100 into the given number which is provided, the number which you need to convert. So percentage of any number is percentage divided by 100 into number. So now when you memorize it, this is important. So do remember this formula. This is very important. So do remember this formula. Now if you put this into question, then 20, which is a percentage, by 100 into given number, that is 200. So 0 0 0 0, 2 2s are 4, that is 40. So percentage of any number, that is, if you want to find out 20% of 200, then that will be only 40. So you can directly write that 20% of 200 is 40. Fine. And if you forget to remember the formula, then as I told you, to convert it into fraction, you need to divide it by 100, and of is told as into and 200. So you can simply convert it in this way. Fine. Understood? Now let's take one more example. Find out 50% of 80. 50% of 80. So that will be 50 by, percentage is always converted into fraction by dividing it by 100. Of is into, that is 80. This 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 got 8 5s are 40. So now again we got our next answer also as 40. Fine. I hope you understood. This is a very basic concept of percentage which you should know, as this is basic math, so we are only covering the basic concepts of every chapters, and very soon I will be explaining you all the chapters in detail with 50 to 60 videos constantly. So stay tuned to my channel. This channel will be very helpful to gain your knowledge. So now let's take how we can use this percentage chapter in our regular life. For example, discount. I hope everyone is familiar with this term, that is discount. Everyone love to buy any items when that is in a discount. So if you are going in a shopping and if you see a percentage off or a discount, then how you will convert. For an example, any item that cost 150 rupees, 150, that cost rupees 150 or dollar 150, and there is discount of 20 percentage. So you have 20% of discount in 150 rupees item. Fine. So what you will do, as I told you earlier, that 20 percentage will be divided by 100 into 150. So 0 0 0 0. So 30. So when you will buy 150 rupees item, you will get discount of 30 rupees. It means that you need to only pay 120 rupees or $120. Fine. See here, why I minused it is, this is the discount amount, not the amount you need to pay. This is the discount amount, that is 20% of 100, 20% of 150 will be 30 rupees. So this is the amount which the company have or which the shopkeeper have given the discount. So discount rupees needs to be minus from the original price. So now you need to only pay 120 rupees. So the item cost only 120 rupees or $120 after the discount. So this is how percentage is used in our regular, and not only in discount but percentage is also used while paying taxes, sales tax or any taxes. So while paying tax, you need to know how to take out the percentage. For example, if your tax rate is 8%, if your tax rate is 8% and you are buying something, for example $200, buying any item of $200, 200. So now what you need to do, you need to find out 8% of 200, that is 8 by 100 into 200. So this get cancelled out, this will be 16. So this is the tax amount. Fine. So as you all know that tax amount is always added. So after tax you need to pay 200 plus 16, that is 216. See here, there is a slight difference between discount and tax. See, not based on terms but based on calculation. First, you saw that in discount we were subtracting the discount amount with the original amount was just was subtracted with discount amount. Fine. So but in tax the original amount will be added with tax amount. Fine. So this should not be misunderstood. Here we are subtracting because we got a discount, but tax is added, always added, because tax amount goes to the government. So tax is always added with the original amount. So this differences you should know. Now percentage is also used to take out the interest rate. Fine. Interest rate. If you are taking a loan, if you are saving, then in that related to bank, anything related to bank, you should know how to take out the percentage. For an example, if you have saved $1,000, fine, in your saving accounts, and you got a percent interest rate of 5%, fine, per year. Annually you got a interest rate of 5%. So what will be your interest? What will you gain after an year? So 5 percentage of 1000 will be this two zero get cancelled out, so 50. So $50. So you will get, so your interest amount is $50. Now if you are told that what will be your principal, sorry, what will be your amount, what will you get after 1 year, then now you will add this with your principal, that is 1050. So you will get $1050 after 1 year if you take out your savings. So this is how we use our percentage in our day-to-day life. Now moving on to next topic of percentage, which you should know, that is there are various questions where percentage get increased or percentage get decreased. So percentage increase, first we will read about percentage increase. So there is a formula. First let us study. For an example, the price of a product increased from 50 to 100. So now you are told that what percentage of the price got increased. So for that type of question you need to know a formula, that is percentage increase equals to new value, find new price value which got increased, find new value minus original value which was earlier with us by original value, fine, this is original value into 100%, fine. Now see here, new value which got increased, now original value which was before earlier by the original value which was earlier into 100%. So this is also again a very important formula which you should know. As I told you that a product price got increased from 80 to 100, from 80 to 100. So this is what the price of any item from $80 to $100. So this is the increase. So here we can see that our new value is 100 minus our old value is $80 by our old value is $100 into 100%. So 100 minus 80 is $20 by $100 in yes, right, into 100%. This dollar get cancelled, this get cancelled. So we are left with only 20%. So sorry, I am extremely sorry. Our original value was only 80 and not 100. So now we got 20 by $80 into 100%. I am extremely sorry, but there was a mistake. So now this zero, this get cancelled out. Now 2 4s are 2 5s are 2 2s are 2 10s are 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 5s are, fine. Then this dollar and this dollar get cancelled out. So 5 into 5 is 25. So the rate of increase is 25%. So the price increased by 25%. This is very important concept where different types of questions arrive from this type of increase and decrease questions. So we have completed with increase. Now for decrease also the formula is same. No change is there in the formula, but just here we will write decrease. It means that percentage decrease will be new value minus original value divided by original value into 100. So for an example, if the price dropped from $120 to 90, so here we are told that price got decreased from 120. The earlier price was dollar 120, which got declined, and we got now our new value is only $90. So this is our original value, and new value is $90. Fine. Now you understood. See, original value is the initial value which was earlier, and new value is the dropped amount which we got now. So in new value, again, yes, slight change is there in the equation. As I told you, there is no difference, but actually there is a difference. That is new value minus original value by original value into 100. This is because original value is greater, so answer will come in minus. So yes, there is a difference. In our earlier in increase, there was original minus new, but here this is new minus original because original value minus new value. I am writing the same thing again. Actually that is original, I mean to say that is original minus, because 120 minus new value is $90 by $90 into 100. I hope you understood the concept. Here first we will take the original value because original value is greater. Fine. So just you need to remember is that greater minus lesser number. Fine. Or else answer will be negative. So original minus new divided by original. Divide by what was our original 120. Fine. This dollar gets cancelled. 30 by 120 into 100%. 2 4s are 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 5s are 6 1s are 6 5s are 30. So our answer is 25%. So the price dropped by 25%. So these formulas are very important in each and every field. So now I hope that you have understood that how we can complete this percentage chapter. We have covered almost every basics of percentage in our this class. Now if you want, let's practice some question so that you get the concept get clear. I will just do 3 to 4 question. Fine. We need to convert 2 by 5 into percentage. So 2 by 5 into 100. So we will get 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Fine. 0. So that is 40%. So we have converted fraction into percentage. Now find 30% of 150. If you are told that find or 30% of 150. So how you will do? 30 by 100 into 150. This 0 get cancel out. This 0 get cancel out. So 15 into 3 is 45%. Fine. So this is how, sorry, this is only 45. So this is how we get our answer. Now let us discuss another, that the price got increased 150 Fine. The 15 increase 150 by, now this 15%. This is the term that where the value got reciprocated. For an example, where earlier we studied that earlier we studied that how to convert. This is our increased. This is how. Here we are told that 150 increase, question is increase 150 by 15%. Increase 150 by 15% means that 150 will get increased by 15%. So first 15% of 150. So that is 15 by 100 into 150. This 0 get cancelled out. 5 2s are 5 3s are. Fine. So that is 45 by 2 or 22.2. 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 point, that is 1, so 25. So 22.5. So this is our increased amount. So now you need to increase it by 150. So that is 172.5 is our increased amount. Fine. You are told that 150 got increased by 15%. So this is our increased amount and the total amount is 172.5. Now last question. The price dropped from dollar 400 to dollar 320. So what we studied, that is original amount by new amount divided by original amount into 100%. Fine. So now this is 80 by 400 into 100. Fine. Now this 2 0, this 2 0 cancel out. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 20. So 20%. So the price dropped. The percentage that decreased is 20%. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, then please stay tuned to my channel. Today we have covered almost everything about percentage. That is what is percentage, how to convert between fraction and decimals, and also how to use them in our regular life to find out percentage of number. We also looked about real life applications from like discount, taxes, and also calculate, and also we have studied how to calculate percentage increase and decrease. So I hope you like this lesson, and this lesson is very helpful. Be sure to practice more, especially in real world examples like sales price, tax, interest rates, because this type of questions will arrive in your exams. And I hope you will stay tuned to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video to all the other people who love learning maths. Stay tuned to my channel. Thanks for watching, and yes, I will see you in my next lesson. Bye bye.